Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I'll start when I'm ready, I'll launch when I'm perfect, I need more time, I need to get more experience, I'll move forward only when everything falls into place? Well, days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, months turn into years, and you are just where you were. Because that perfect moment never comes. The truth is, waiting for the perfect moment is the best way of killing your dreams. It's the most beautiful way of self sabotage. And today we are breaking this pattern for good. Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of the Fly to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And in today's episode, we are talking about one of the most common reasons why we stay stuck in our dreams, waiting for that perfect moment. Now, if it's you who's doing this, I want you to know this. You don't need more time, you don't need more trust, you don't need more experience, and I'll show you how to build this right here, right now. So let's get started. The illusion of the perfect moment. Well, it's kind of seductive, because it tells us wait till you're more confident. Wait till your kids get older. Wait till you have more money. Wait till you have more clarity. Wait till you have more support. Wait. But waiting, oh my God, it just keeps you stuck. Remember, there is nothing called being perfect. Perfect is a word born out of imperfect. And life is a journey. We all grow in life, we all evolve in life, and just as we grow, just as we evolve, our perception of perfect also keeps changing. So perfect becomes a moving target. As we grow a little, perfect goes a little beyond us all the time, all the way. So remember, perfectionism is not preparation, it's procrastination wrapped in a beautiful, shiny, glossy gift wrap. So what if you stopped waiting and you just took action today? These are 5 steps that will help you to stop waiting and start moving forward right now. Step number 1, shift. Shift from perfection to progress. You never need to be 100% ready. In fact, you will become better and better and better at doing something once you start doing it. Experience will make you better. You just need to be willing to start. So let your new mantra be this, that I am ready to take action because done is better than perfect. Step 1 is better than step none. Staying messy and starting messy is better than staying stuck. Progress is built in motion, not in overthinking. Remember that always. Number 2, embrace imperfect action as a practice. So your confidence will not magically appear before you begin something, correct? You'll only gain more and more confidence as you go on doing something. So try this. Do one small thing today that you've been putting off, that you've been procrastinating upon. Okay? Maybe it's like recording your first video, your first reel, or writing, the first intro of your CV, or writing the bio of your new social media handle, whatever. Start doing something today and do something today that you've been putting off, you've been lazy about. The magic is in movement. Number 3, visualize your future self thanking you. Okay? So imagine you from, 1 year from now. You're living your dream life, you have everything you wanted. Because? Answer it. Because you took action. You made mistakes, you fell down, you were not perfect. Everything is okay because you moved. You moved forward and you moved forward because you took action. So, wouldn't you thank yourself? You would, right? Number 4, reframe fear as a signal of growth. Waiting for perfection, is often a result of fear, a deep fear within you. The fear of failure, maybe, the fear of being judged, the fear of losing something, the fear of not being good enough. But fear means you're on the edge of expansion. Really. So reframe your thoughts. Okay? Tell yourself that this fear means that I'm growing, and growth always feels unfamiliar at first. The fear means I'm slowly starting to move out of my comfort zone. So it is natural for me to be uncomfortable in the beginning. Number 5, make a non negotiable commitment to start small. Okay? You don't need to take a huge jump, you don't need to take a big leap. All you need to do is take one teeny weeny little step. So commit to this. Commit to yourself. Tell yourself, I will take one aligned action in the next 24 hours, no matter how small it is. And once you take that action, once the momentum begins, you will see yourself becoming more and more confident by each passing day. So you are not behind, you are not unprepared. Okay, you are just waiting on a moment that already lives inside of you. So take action. The truth is, you don't need any perfect moment or any perfect experience. Again, I'm saying perfect does not exist. It's a word born out of imperfect. So embrace your imperfection and start taking action today. And from now, when you see yourself, when after 1 year, when you look back at your life, as on today's date, you will see how far you've come. You will see it for yourself. So, well, that's it for now today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you resonate with me, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my podcast for your daily dose of inspiration. And this episode is a sign for you that you don't need more time. You just need to begin. So, if you want a safe space to share your first step, to DM to me, you know where to write to me. Until next time, start messy, stay brave, and always remember your, someday life can actually begin this very moment when you decide to take action. So till my next podcast, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off. More power to you. Take action today. Bye-bye.